Hey guys, this is Prithvi and I'm back with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Streamlab OBS. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. So guys, first what you have to do is download Streamlab OBS. You should type Streamlab OBS. Over here, the first website, the link will be given below. You can straightly go to this website by the link. Press. You have to log in from here, then you can download. Over here you can see the download option and starting downloading. Yes. So guys, after downloading, come to Streamlab OBS. You have to log in. Over here you can see everything. It's same like OBS Studio, the tutorial I made before of OBS Studio. You can have the desktop audio, mic audio. You can adjust these, even mic audio which I have connected. Now you can hear my voice again. The display capture, alert, subscribers count. I have made my sub goal and text also. You can see sub goal. I kept the text sub goal. So guys, first same as OBS Studio, create a scene. We name it as scene one. New scene. Over here, add source. You go to display capture and add source. You can see it can capture your display. Over here and over here in the settings, the same settings, but we have a little more than OBS Studio. In streaming, you have the same thing, the same thing which you have in OBS Studio. And for your video, you can set the resolution, the highest which I have kept on. Even audio, desktop audio 1, 2, mic and all you can keep. Hotkeys for starting recording, if you do Control C, it will come. Now for stop streaming, if you do Shift L, it can come. So you can create anything you want for this. You can even delete it like this. In advanced settings, you have the process priority. You go to high, video format NV2, which is the supported. Color thing 601. Here the default settings will be better. And game overlay, enable overlay in game. It will start overlay. In scene collections, so here you can export, import all the widgets and all notifications, and these and all remote control which you can access from your phone. Now which is the main, we'll go over here, themes. So it can make the widget themes. So here guys, if you see, there are many themes, animated as well as statics. Over here you can see these are prime, you have to pay for those. If you put prime and animated, you get these. You can buy giving dollars, which are nice. These are animated, but guys, if you don't want to buy and get it for free, you can click animated over here and free, and deselect prime, or you get animated everything. For example, if we are choosing this, okay, you have to install the overlay over here. Click the install thing. Once it's installed, it will reopen as a fresh in OBS Studio. You can see it will open OBS Studio. Here you can see it came starting soon. Live stream. This is the webcam which I have hidden over here. Now I closed. Again, you can put your own webcam also. And in Be Right Back, this thing ending soon offline. You can add these if you're downloading many like as I have done. You can go here and search. Okay, for example, I'm going here. It'll open. You can see stream starting soon. Be right back. Intermission and live scene. Live scene. You can even keep at window capture if you want. Over here, you have the alert box. So now, if you see one of my subscribers, if I repeat alert, it will show it like this. The sound you heard now, it will show that. Again, if I do, it will come, guys. The same thing which you can use, what you use in OBS Studio, the same thing, same things. Only the which teams is there, and you can even control when you're streaming your live chats. You can control over here. You can see how many views, and you can even chat from here. Recording also you can do. I'm not saying how to record because my laptop does not support this recording format. This over here, you get these. Even you have settings for this. Even this mic audio, you can even put it full now. That's settings for mic audio. That's all, guys. You can now log out. You can log out here. Studio mode. If you put studio mode, you will have two screens. It will show the output. What it's showing. This is my intermission. And be right back thing. This is the live how it will show. Because it has delay. Stream delay. You can change it. You can change the stream delay. That's all, guys. We have covered up everything in Streamlab OBS. So with this, you can stream like a pro, and everyone will watch your stream, which is the best. So guys, the link will be given below. You can download it from there. So guys, we are at 138 subscribers. Our sub goal was 135. Thank you for finishing my sub goal. And now if you see, our next sub goal is 140 subscribers. Only 2 subscribers we need. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, follow now. The link will be given below. For Streamlabs also, the link will be given below. You can go check out. So thank you for watching.